it's over. And now it's time to trash the ex box. Not this ex, my ex. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of POPxo Style School. And this Valentine's Day, we thought let's do something fun and create some fun looks using our exes clothes that are lying in our wardrobe. So let's begin. I styled my ex-boyfriend's blazer with a turtleneck and a mini skirt. For further oomph, I added a pair of thigh-high boots and a shoulder bag. To bring the look together, I added a belt on top and accessorized it with silver hoops.
Taking my ex's hoodie, I created a cozy yet fun look. Styled the hoodie with a tennis skirt, a pair of combat boots, and my multi-utility box bag for a perfect casual day out.
I took my ex's dusty pink trench coat and created a high street chic look. To add an offbeat vibe, I styled a grey turtleneck with a peach cardigan and leather pants. I completed the look with high heel boots and silver hoops. Just because the relationship went to trash does not mean that the clothes need to. Ladies, reclaim and retell your style story this Valentine's. And for more such videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily.
Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.